yeah, do you real shape. Nigga, I'm a gangster. Blue Chuck Taylors. Where I'm from, nigga, yeah, do you real scandalous. Look, South Central, where I'm from. Nigga, all the homies, yeah, we tote big guns. Big locks, homie. Yeah, we stay with big rocks. And you know, it equals up to big knots. Look, yeah, where I'm from, we flipping pictures all day. Yeah, you know I'm getting some. Yeah, shit. We gotta start that.
We gotta start over.
I just came in. I had to just come in.
Alright, I come back in. Since I got interrupted first. Yeah, I'm back again, motherfucker, yes, it's Brooks. In this bitch, Brooklyn, every day you shook. Yes, believe. This nigga said he eased with the Glock, motherfucker get squeezed with it now. It's easy, break with, shake with, rob niggas. Wanna come get it cause I got that problem? Yes, what you motherfucker get ripped then. Nigga got started behind my back and gripped then. It's all easy, believe me, the point guard, J-Easy, the motherfucker get squeezed me. It's all good with a YG in the place, then we get ripped, motherfucker come and get it, J. It's good shit when I rip it, when I split it, motherfucker come and get it, cause I got that sick now. I spit it every day, motherfucker come get it, cause I got it ripping, motherfucker shit if I want it now. I got it, good shit, motherfucker sawdust, and if you wanna come and get it, got a fucking problem, I squeeze with it, motherfucker ease with it, with the goons behind me every day, please get it. If
Look,
you want it.
yeah, they call me YG. Yeah, I'm from the 80s, so you know I bang 3. Banging for the 3rd. Yeah, E.T. G. C. Nigga, that's me. Look, my boy gave from the D. CPT. And
damn, shit. You gotta start this whole thing.